In this video, I'll be comparing Apollo.io versus Clay and going over which of these platforms may be best for you and your needs. So I'll go over what exactly you can do with them, how much they cost, and ultimately which one I think is best for each specific scenario. So make sure to watch until the end so that you pick the correct one for you and your needs and don't end up wasting your time or money. First, I'll go over the primary function and target audiences. So Apollo.io's primary function is that it is a robust all-in-one sales intelligence and engagement platform, providing a large B2B contact database, outreach automation with email sequences, calls, and LinkedIn. Then it does enrichment and it has pipeline tools. In terms of target audience, it's ideal for sales teams, small to medium-sized businesses, and even enterprises who want to manage prospecting, outreach, and deal tracking within a single solution. Then Clay, on the other hand, is a data enrichment and AI-powered workflow platform focusing on precision lead enrichment via waterfalling multiple sources, smart filters, and AI-driven data manipulation. Outreach is achieved through integrations with external tools. So it's best suited for RevOps, technical marketers, and growth teams who need granular data control, flexible workflows, and high accuracy in enrichment. Now I'll go over some of their key features and functionalities. So for Apollo.io, it has a built-in database with over 200 million contacts and 60 million companies. Then it also offers integrated email sequences, A/B testing, a dialer, CRM integration, and in-platform automations. Now Clay, as I said, uses a waterfall enrichment model, querying multiple providers layer by layer for maximum data accuracy. So it offers advanced AI-powered data operations with filters, lead scoring, customization, and enrichment. Now, if you actually want to do outreach, you will need to do that in a separate platform, and you can integrate with tools like SmartLead or Zapier. So here's basically how the workflow and automation works in each of these platforms. With Apollo.io, the unified workflow kind of works like this. So first you prospect using the filters such as job title, industry, location, or even buying intent. Then you can enrich those leads so you can get their email and phone number. And then you engage with them so you can add them to your list and then have them go through an automation, for example. And in that automation, you can also use AI to personalize it, and then you can track it with the analytics, all in this one platform. Now with Clay, a modular workflow would look like this. So you import your leads, then you enrich them, you can use AI to enhance it, and then you export it to your outreach tool. It does require setup, but it offers highly tailored automation. Now in terms of pricing, on Clay you can see they have a free plan which will get you 1.2 thousand credits per year or 100 per month, and besides that, if you want to pay monthly, it starts at $149 for the starter plan, depending on how many credits you want to get, and it goes all the way up to the pro plan, where for example if you get 100,000 credits per month it's $1,500. So it can get pretty expensive if you want a bunch of credits. Now they also have custom enterprise plans. Now on Clay, the price you see here is just a flat price, whereas on Apollo you pay per user per month. So they also have a free plan with the same amount of credits per year, which is 1,200. And on Apollo, 1 credit gets you an email and 8 credits get you a phone number. Now here on Clay, you can see a phone number starts at 2 credits, but it can cost 5 credits and even up to 25 credits depending on the provider. So with Clay, a phone number can be a lot less credits, but also a lot more. Now the most popular plan is Professional at $99 per user per month. So if you have a team of 5, it would be $495, and then you would get 20,000 credits per month. And also you will unlock more features, of course, such as the US dialer, automated workflows, AI research intelligence, call recordings and AI insights, and a lot more. So it will also help you improve your sales process on the actual calls. Now it also works as a go-to-market platform where you run your entire sales cycle on unified customer data, which is also what Clay does. You can see it says go-to-market with unique data. Now overall the data accuracy on Clay I think is better than on Apollo due to it checking from multiple sources. But Apollo does offer a broader coverage and ease of use, but it then may lack some of the accuracy of Clay.com. So overall, which one may be best for you? Now, whichever you decide to get started with, you can do so completely for free through the links down in the description. First, I would choose Apollo if you need a unified, scalable platform covering prospecting, outreach, and pipeline management, if you need quick setup with built-in automation, and if you need a broad contact database and CRM integration. On the other hand, I would go with Clay if you need high data accuracy, flexible enrichment, and AI-powered workflows, if you need a modular customizable system that plugs into your existing marketing stack, and if you need precision control and rich integration capabilities, I would also go with Clay. So that concludes this comparison of Apollo.io versus Clay. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.